The shiitake is an edible mushroom native to East Asia, specifically China and Japan. These mushrooms are predominantly cultivated today rather than being found in the wild. The United States also cultivates the popular mushroom, but the first shiitake production in the U.S. did not occur until a ban on importing live shiitake cultures was lifted in 1972. The earliest written record of shiitake cultivation is seen in the records of Longshuan County in 1209 during the Song Dynasty in China. The 185-word description of shiitake cultivation from that literature was later cross-referenced many times and eventually adapted in a book by a Japanese horticulturist in 1796, the first book on shiitake cultivation in Japan. The Japanese cultivate the mushroom by cutting shi trees with axes and placing logs by trees that were already growing shiitake or contained shiitake spores. Shiitake are now widely cultivated all over the world and contribute about 25% of the total yearly production of mushrooms. They are the second most commonly consumed mushroom in the world after the button mushroom. Shiitake grow in groups on decaying wood of deciduous trees, particularly shi and other chinkapins, chestnut, oak, maple, beech, sweet gum, poplar, hornbeam, ironwood, and mulberry. Its natural distribution includes warm and moist climates in Southeast Asia. Commercially, shiitake mushrooms are typically grown in conditions similar to their natural environment on either artificial substrate or hardwood logs, such as oak. Shiitake mushrooms produce 3 to 5 flushes of fresh mushrooms on average when grown on sawdust or grain. If we grow them on logs, they can provide you with fresh mushrooms every 5 weeks for 4 to 6 years. Fresh shiitake have many uses in East Asian cuisine. In Japan, they are served in miso soup, used as a basis for a kind of vegetarian dashi, and as an ingredient in many steamed and simmered dishes. In Chinese cuisine, they are often sautéed in vegetarian dishes, such as Buddha's delight. Shiitake mushrooms are best suited for cooked applications such as frying, sautéing, boiling, steaming, and grilling. Although shiitake mushrooms are a cultivated variety, their umami, earthy flavor and texture lend itself to be a substitute in recipes calling for wild mushrooms. It is considered a medicinal mushroom in some forms of traditional medicine. Shiitake mushrooms are a nutrient powerhouse. There are several vitamins and minerals in shiitake mushrooms. Some shiitake mushrooms are enriched via UVB light to provide vitamin D with nutritional significance. Shiitake mushrooms naturally contain zinc, manganese, and several B vitamins. They are a particularly excellent source of the minerals copper and selenium.